Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to move files from one Google Drive to another. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, whichever you have, and download the Google Drive application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, register if you already do not have a Google Drive profile. Now, after that, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom, we have, as you can see, the home screen, start, shared, and the files. And in the top left corner, we have this recent, offline, spam, bin, and the settings option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and move files from one Google Drive to another. So the easy way to transfer all files from one Google Drive to another is to use an automated migration tool like ValidMe that will migrate your files in a browser. So you can go and search for it. So it's ValidMe, and when you click on there, you can do it there. However, it is also possible to copy files by manually downloading them from one account and uploading them to another. So that is the way to do it also, but that is the way that will take a lot of time. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.